No sentiment should be brought in. No sentiment. Of all the aspirants, who can withstand this APC in this election? Whether the person from Anambra, you are from Sokoto, you are from Imo. Look at all of us. Who can withstand APC in this election? It is me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is not the time for theory. This is a time for action. This is not a time that I'm a trader. No. No. This is not a time I'm an importer. No. This is not a time I own bank. No. It's not time for somebody saying that I carry my bag. It's not this time. It's not this time at all. I didn't come here to begin to teach you about the economy of Nigeria. That's theory. That's not what I came here. So coming here now to tell you these health indices, this is true, not true. It's not true at all, it's not true. Those ones are theory, it doesn't work that way. So if anybody comes here to tell you, in Nigeria, the current currency price is this, look. That's it. You are far from what we are talking about. You are far from what we are talking about. If you want to carry your bag, you don't want to carry your bag, stay at home. This election is not a gentleman's election. Because I tell people, I know your son is running, I know PDP is running. But the problem, when I had PDP say that he's the best candidate, that he is the best candidate. But he went to Atiku declaration, I said Atiku is the best man to fix the economy. Atiku is the best man to fix the economy in Nigeria. But yet you are the best candidate. Haba. What I came to beg you is that your mandate. That one vote, delegates, I don't, because you don't have up to, I've looked at it, I don't have up to, since you don't have state working committee, you don't have up to 40 delegates. But I'm still interested in it. Even if it is one. I know your son is running, but he knows that I'm the one that will win. So don't put your vote where you know it's a waste of vote. Look, if your son would win me, I will tell you. And I won't come, I will tell you, my brother Ndibo, Anambra, give him the vote. But it will be a waste. Because I am the one to win. He said, so give it to me. Later I can call him. I said, my brother, leave it. Since I'm there, Anambra will be protected. But if you go and waste that vote, it's a way where he won't win. But you know he won't win. Are you not aware? I'm not saying that he won't win. I mean, we should tell ourselves the simple truth. Listen up to ground. Listen, put your ears on the ground. Not what elites are saying. Listen, what is the grassroots saying? Whom are they calling his name? Of all these aspirants, whom are the grassroots? Who are they calling his name? Wike. Anywhere you go, Wike. Even the toilet, Wike. Even the bedroom, Wike. Kitchen self, Wike. Your wife they give you food, Wike. Husband and wife they sleep, Wike. Haba. Thank you. You know, politics is too much propaganda. When I leave now, they will come to you. The North said they won't vote for Wike. Tell them you have heard so. But you, Anambra, will vote for Wike. They will come and tell you, oh, the West, they sat last night. They said they will not vote for Wike. Say you had it in CNN too. But you vote for Wike. People say they will never vote for Wike. He said, yes, even you were in the meeting. But you vote for Wike.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.